It's summer and very, very hot. And it's time to make a cool, refreshing peach lemonade. Delicious.
Hey kids, my name is Aya.
And I'm Muhammad. And she is
Honey.
Welcome to our show, Simple, Delicious,
and healthy.
where we take our favorite recipes, substitute with healthy ingredients while keeping the same great taste.
In the last video, we made a cucumber garlic dip. Before we begin, make sure to wash your hands or wear gloves, and make sure to subscribe, like, and share.
And hit that notification bell to get notified when we upload.
This week's shoutouts go to... If you would like a shout out in our next video, be sure to comment down below your name and what recipes you would like us to make.
We have a goal of reaching 10,000 subscribers.
Once we reach it, we will give away a bunch of prizes.
All the information you need is in the description below. Let us know in the comment section below what other beverages you would like us to do.
The ingredients are
2 cups of peaches, frozen or fresh.
6 cups of water,
A half cup of organic raw cane sugar, agave syrup, or monk fruit.
chopped up basil, optional,
A whole lemon and a whole lime.
We recommend peeling the skin if you are using fresh peaches, so you won't be left with the skin.
In a pot, combine the water, peaches, and sugar over medium-low until the peaches start to soften.
You can use a potato masher to mash up the fruits.
You may strain it to separate the pieces of fruit from the actual juice.
In our humble opinion, we enjoy it better with pieces of fruit. Just rip the leaves apart and throw them in.
We tried this recipe with agave, monk fruit, sugar, honey, and syrup.
We don't recommend honey because it gives a strong taste. If you would like it sweeter, we recommend adding a liquid sweetener or monk fruit.
So you won't be left with sugar grains. We are going to tear the basil to bring out the flavors and oils. We are going to toss it in this tea infuser.
So you won't be pulling out basil from your mouth.
So Froggy, how are you liking the view from up there? Nothing better than swimming in peach lemonade.
Peach and basil, we make great combo.
Peach lemonade can be super good, but buying it from the store can be a huge mistake. Even the healthy ones, for them to store it on the shelves for that long, they have to add a lot of harmful ingredients. And that's not happening. Nuh-uh, not on my watch. Wait, I don't have a watch. Does anybody have a watch? Here. Like I was saying.
Peaches are packed with healthy nutrients, plus they are very sweet. Some people might skip the cooking process, not knowing it will make the juice much tastier.
This makes a great snack and kids will love it. Check Instagram for photos of all our recipes so far, and be sure to tag SDH whenever you make any of our delicious recipes.
Bismillah!
This looks so refreshing, I can't wait to dive in.
I love the one with basil.
Agave.
You want some agave?
Mm.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here, try it.
This is a great drink for summer.
I love the fruit pieces inside. I could drink it all day.
It's great, honey.
I like it, Aya.
Yeah, I love it too.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to support our small but growing channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing to your mom, dad, auntie, uncle. And please don't forget to comment down below your thoughts and what you'd like to see in future videos. And as always, simple, delicious, and healthy. Hey kids!
In the last video, we made a cucumber garlic dip. Oopsies. The ingredients are
2 cups of fresh frozens.
fresh frozen.
Oh, yeah, Aya's the
Ingredients are
2 cups of peaches.
beaches. BJ's coaches.
In the top, combine the water, put peaches.
And sorry, I forgot.
Basil is optional. However, it complements the peaches. Basil is optional. We made one with and without. However, it complements the peaches very good.
Just
Dude, you are going to make... We tried this recipe with agave, monk fruit, sugar, and honey.
we don't recommend sugar because this is the perfect drink for summer.
I love the fruit pieces
Oh,
inside.
Gavi. I want to add the Gavi. And sit the kind of Gavi.
Just a bit more.
That's a lot of agave.
I'm gonna add the Gavi.
Agave, okay. I'm sorry I learned the word tahini. This is great. I love the fruit pieces inside.
Me too.
Mmm.
Oh, Gavi.
You want more agave? Okay.
Yeah.
Bismillah. This looks so refreshing. I can't wait to dive in.
I love the peach lemonade with basil. Shoo!
Bismillah. This looks so nice. I can't wait to dive in.
My favorite one is the basil.
This is so refreshing.
I'm Gavi. I'm Gavi.
Agave.
Agave.
Here. Peach lemonade. Peach lemonade. Peach lemonade. Peach lemonade. Peach lemonade. Peach lemonade. Peach lemonade.
It's summer. It's hot. It's summer. It's hot. It's summer. And really, really hot. It's summer. And very, very hot. It's summer. And very, very hot.